Hey you guys, so today we're back with another hair review. Okay, so this time, I was sent some hair from Hot Beauty Hair. Just got it in opening nothing. I actually brought hair from them a long time ago. I'll link it probably like up here or down below. And I really liked it. So I was really excited when they wanted to send me some hair because I was like, I know about this hair. Like, and that was like years ago. So they might have got better quality hair because the quality at that time was Liddy Patini. Okay. So this is, first of all, the packaging. First of all, the packaging. Like, the packaging. It's hot. Look, it wasn't like this before. It was not like this before. Like, I think it came like in a bag or something. I mean, no harm. It's cool if it comes in a bag. But this is really cute. Okay, so they sent me 2 wigs. Oh, look, I gotta take the ribbon off. Very cute. Yes, packaging. Very nice. Very... Okay. So they sent me 2 wigs. OMG. They really stepped it up, and I'm not even about to play with them. First of all, look at this holographic situation going on. This is really cute. Y'all know I love gifts. Let's look in the gifts. I'm going to use this case too because this is really, really pretty. Okay, we got some hair clips. We can always use hair clips. I'm excited. We got bobby pins. We always need bobby pins. We got some bands, elastic bands. We always need bands for our wig. Yes, with the edge brush. Oh. What? Tweezers. They not playing. They came to slay. And it was another clip. Oh, I love gifts. Because, typically they give you like lashes and stuff. But this is really cute. And it comes with wig cap. We always need some wig caps. And it comes with Hot Beauty how to care for your hair situation. Yes, Hot Beauty. Okay, let's get to the hair though. Now they sent me the curly, like bouncy curly bang wig, I guess. We're gonna get to it. Let's get to this one last because I got to choose which ones I want, and it's a natural like brown black, and then it's a red one. I want to do the red one last. So this is how it comes. All right. I like the fact that it already have a band that's attached to it, and it's machine. It's done by the machine. If you can get a close up on it, or if it's not, it's really nice stitched. Okay, let's take this off. I'm excited, y'all. Look at the curls already out, just out the box. It's okay. It's the simplicity for me. Let's look at the inside before I throw this baby on my head. So we have comb on the side. We have a comb in the back. And then we have a comb in the middle. I'm not going to be using the combs. Don't mind my hair. Put my wig cap on. Alright. And we're going to put this bad baby on. Okay, so let's throw her on. Okay, and she is... It's a yes for me. She is soft. Look at these curls. I'm like, I don't want to open her up too much. And I want y'all to get like a close up. The curls is, and she is soft and she don't stink. I should put like a better outfit on. I'm gonna actually have a video at the end of here, like, with me with a better outfit on. My eyes. My eyes. Woo. It's in my eyes. I like it. I might do a little customizing to my face, like, you know, cutting this bang situation. But like off rip, she's giving greatness. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see it really good in my lighting. Let me see. Yes, honey. And we just fluff her up a little more, play with her, and she'll be really nice, really nice. I'm gonna probably cut the bang a little bit to shape my face, show my brows a little bit, you know, because she gotta show the brows. I think I have some earrings. Let me see how I look with earrings. Oh yeah, she's giving with the earrings. I'm excited. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. What? What was that? This is so pretty. Shout out to Hot Beauty Hair for sending me these wigs because I am very appreciative. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Yeah, so for the people that don't like to do anything like customizing, cutting everything, you could just go like this, you know what I'm saying? You can go like this. This is so effing pretty. Oh my god. And it feels so soft. It's a yes for me. It's a yes for me. Okay, so let me get the other wig out. I don't really want to think it on. Lipstick. I gotta put some gloss on. But let me go get the other wig. Just a second. Okay. I thought I'd take the shirt off so you can see a little more skin, so you can get like a good reveal of the hair. So this is a 99J. I'm excited for this one as well. It has the same structure, same whatever, everything in the back, inside. Okay, let me show you. So we got the combs everywhere where the black one was, and then yeah, they have the adjustable straps on both of them. I don't ever need it because my head's kind of big sometimes. So let's put her on. How you think I'm gonna look? You think I'm gonna be giving realness? Well, hold on, let me see. Okay, I'm giving all nine. Now everybody knows how to work my body. Yes, I'm giving Rihanna. Oh, Nana. It's the curls. It's the curls. It's the curls for me. Yes. So again, I'm going to like clip it so it can fit my face a little bit. But it's a yes for me for both. Oh my god. So pretty. What? Oh. Oh, these is pretty. This is a pretty wig. I could do this all day, y'all. Y'all know I love me some hair. But yeah. So which one y'all like? 99J or the natural black on me? I love both of them. I don't even know which one I want to wear out first. If I'm feeling color or just feeling curls. Dark curls. I don't know. Next time it's nice out, I might throw this. I don't know which one I want the one. This is. Those are my dogs. I just got a new puppy. And my other dog is not really so happy. So you might hear that every now and then. But yes. It's a yes for me. So at the end of this video, I will show you like a little surprise. So stay tuned. If you stay to the end to see the surprise, thank you, because it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. Because I want to. I can't tell you. I'm about to tell you. I'm not gonna tell you. You gotta wait. Be patient. Just wait. Y'all, I'm sorry, but okay. You're gonna see the end. Just it's a surprise. So yeah, tell me what y'all think in the comments. I love it. This is Hot Beauty. This is Hot Beauty, sponsored by Hot Beauty. Thanks again for sending me this hair, these wigs. I am loving them, and I'm probably gonna have to hide them from my mom and or my sister because they're probably gonna try to take them. But okay, it's going on too long. So yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.